that through the extra facilities that we provided here at the Outside Science Space, that you go away and inspired and enthusiastic, and hopefully come back, tell your friends, because we have a few tickets left for tomorrow, not too many, so get on the web now and get your friends here tomorrow. Back to you then. Well, now, George, we look to the future of RAF air transport, a future that's pretty pertinent to the local area, because of course it all happened at RAF transport when the RAF first example last year. Like all Airbus programs, the A400M is a multinational effort, and that's reflected on the flight deck of this aircraft today. The German element comes from Karl Heinz, or Charlie Mai, and the British from Anthony Flynn. They're flying the demonstration for us today, and a very impressive profile it is. The engines are new as well as the aircraft, 4 Eurocrom International TP400 V6 turboprops of 11,000 sharp horsepower each. About 500 feet with this last 160 to 180 knots. An aeroplane that had a lengthy gestation. Back in 1982 came the first efforts to produce successors to the C-130 Hercules and the Transall C-160s that were then in service with so many European air arms, as they still are today. The Airbus military company was established in 1999. They took the program on, and a maiden flight took place at the Airbus military facility on the 11th of December 2009. They have 2 flight test centres, one at Seville in Spain, the other Toulouse in France. A400Ms, or Grizzlies as the manufacturer terms them, so this one's Grizzly 5, engaged in the development and qualification testing program before service entry. Full civil certification was received in March this year. That took place a week after the first flight, the initial production stand example, which will go imminently to the French Air Force. Slow pass again, very effective. One of the problems here from airlift is the helicopters. The RIAT won't use that facility on this aeroplane, but some of the other customers certainly will. And there's a slow speed climb out. Down to just 80 to 90 knots on that pass. 174 A400Ms are in service, or rather on order I should say. We're yet to see the delivery of the first in service example. Germany is taking 53, France 50, Spain 27, the UK will get 22, and then the other customers, Turkey, Belgium, Malaysia, and one for Luxembourg, which will be operated by the Belgians. Pitching down there. Push over to minus 40 degrees, so quite a lot of the negative G for the crew on board. The first French Air Force A400M actually flew the French President François Hollande into the Paris Air Show last Sunday, took part in the Bastille Day flypast. crews from the French and the Turkish air forces, because the Turks are going to be the second customer to receive their A400Ms, have been in training since January at the Airbus military facilities, and the French expect to get an initial operational capability early next year. The RIAT will get its first Atlas under current plans at Prize Norton in September 2014, and deliveries will then continue for another 7 years. This is the first time we've seen a full A400M display in Britain since 2010. A few problems prevented its appearance the following year, and then we only got a flypast last year, but the progress made by the qualification and development program since then has really been enormous, and well, who knows, maybe we'll see a French Air Force A400M at RIAT in the not so distant future. The Airbus military chief test pilot, the British pilot Ed Strongman, told me the other day that about 5,300 hours of testing have been amassed so far by the aircraft involved in the program.
Beard shape.
It's a lovely aircraft to fly.
I'm like a really white beard. Really, shave it up and be a white beard shape.
There'll be a pretty short landing coming up as well as the TP400 engines get pushed into reverse pitch.
With a white eye.
Completing their sequence, Charlie Mike and Andy Flynn with the Airbus military A400M, the Atlas.